Intercultural Sports Day. People from different cultural backgrounds coming together to participate in various sports activities are seen. The aim of the day is to have fun, build relationships, and promote intercultural understanding and cooperation. The day may include team sports such as soccer, basketball, volleyball, and others. Participation of people from different cultural backgrounds is encouraged. The event provides an opportunity to promote intercultural understanding and cooperation. Participants are encouraged to build bonds and foster friendships. The focus of the day is on enjoying sports as well as having a good time. Participants find opportunities for cultural exchange and communication beyond sports.